Okay guys, it's me Imad from Nelson Darwin Park Tech YouTube channel. So today in this video tutorial we will learn about how to use the delay function within the FHash programming language. So how we can do that? So first you need to open the FHash programming window, and then as an example we will write printfn day. Okay, now what is this? Here printfn function will just print the day string on the output console window. Okay, and it will just do this thing, and after this we want to create a delay. So we will write system dot threading dot thread dot sleep. Okay, threading, yes, dot thread dot sleep. Okay, now we also need to give some sort of argument or parameter, and what sort of parameters? In the form of milliseconds. Okay, we will write here 2000 millisecond, and this function, that is sleep function, which belongs to all these classes thread and threading, it will just create a delay of 2 seconds for us, and then after 2 seconds it needs to printfn. Okay, printfn night, day and night. So now we need to again put the delay after this thing. Now we will run it out. First is day, and after 2 seconds it just used to print night. Okay, so in this way we can use this function as our delay function. So thanks for visiting our channel, and don't forget to subscribe.